Hello guys, in the last video I have shown you how to open a text file inside your rich text box. Now in this video I will show you how to search a particular word inside your rich text box and highlight it, for example with a background color. So let's get started. For this I'm going to take a button and I'm going to take a text box. Okay, and the rich text box I already have from the last video. Okay, so if you want to open the text file inside the rich text box, just watch the last video, because I'm going to just open the text file inside this rich text box and search for the word inside this rich text box. So this button text I will change it as search, and I will just change the font size of these button and text box. So I will make it 18. Okay, so whatever word I will enter in this text box, and when I press this search button, it should highlight all the word which I enter in the search box. So now I will just double click this search button, and in here I will write the code. So first of all I will declare a integer variable. So I will write dim index as integer is equal to 0, and now I will make a while loop. While, and inside this while loop I will give a condition. So I will write while index is less than rich text box 1 dot text dot last index of, and then in the bracket I will pass the text of the rich text box. Okay, I beg your pardon here, the text in the text box which we are searching for, so this text box text will come. So just write here text box 1 dot text. Okay, and I think I'm messing with the code of while, because I'm teaching so many languages at the same time, so I get confused sometimes. So now this is our while loop. Okay, and inside this while loop I will write rich text box 1 dot find. Okay, and this will take 4 arguments. First argument would be, so just hover over this find, and let's see it shows any suggestion or not. No, right now it's not showing any suggestions. So this find takes 4 arguments. First argument will be the word we are searching for. So the word we are searching for is in our text box 1. So write text box 1 dot text, and the second argument I would say it takes is the index. So just write index, this index which we have declared as a variable integer. Third argument would be the length of the rich text box. So write rich text box 1 dot length, mm, text length, and the fourth argument would be rich text box finds dot none. Okay, so these are the four arguments. Just write rich text box dot find, and inside the bracket pass four argument. First argument would be the text we are searching for, so we are passing the text in the text box. Second is the index. Third is the length of the text in the rich text box, and fourth is the rich text box finds dot none. Now once we have searched our words or letters, now we are going to highlight them. So just write rich text box 1 dot selected text, not selected text but selection back color is equal to the color of your choice. So for example, color dot red I'm searching for. Let's see if we want. Okay, so this is red color, and now I will write in the third line of code as index, which is my variable, is equal to rich text box 1 dot text dot index of, and in the bracket I will pass two argument. First is the text box name, text box 1 dot text, and the second argument is the index. Okay, and I will add +1. This +1 I'm doing because in a while loop it will search for the word one by one, right? That's why I'm using this +1 here. Okay, so just write this, and this is the code for searching the word and highlighting the word inside the rich text box. Now we are going to check it. So if you want, you can just pause the video and copy the code, and let's try to run the program. So first of all, I will open our text file with this button which I have shown you in the last video. So text file is open, and for example, let's see what word we need to search. For example, we need to search this word the. So I will write the inside this text box, and when I click this search button, it highlights all the words which are the. Even it also search the word containing this three letters the, right? Or for example, let's see what word we want to search. Mean. For example, we want to search mean, so I will write mean and click search, and search for this mean also, and you will notice that it will not unhighlight this previous search. So this we can do it like this. So the to solve that problem, just write here dim temp as string equal to rich text box dot text, and what we are going to do is we will empty our rich text box. So we will write this, and we will just pass the empty string inside our rich text box, and once again what we will do is we will just pass this temporary string which contains the rich text box text. So just write this and then write temp. Okay, now it will just search for the word we are searching for, and it will unhighlight the previous search. Once again I will run the program. I will open the text file and I will search for the word the once again, and I will click search, and it searches for the word the. And once again I want to search once again a new word, mean for example, and this time it unhighlight the previous search and search for the new word which we are searching for. So in this way you can search and highlight the text inside your rich text box. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please